Hey guys, River Dave, we're down at Wire for Sound. We just finished up this particular Razor Turbo. It's a 2018 Razor Turbo. Came from Horizon Motorsports. I want to show you the street legal kit and the system that we put in it for Craig Hargraves. It's a little hard to see in the video, but what this is actually right here, it's that's actually the blinkers, right? And put it back on normal. They're basically like daytime running lights, but they're the kind of halo look like the BMWs have. So come on around back, I'll show you how the rear of it works. So in the rear, you got your stock tail lights, and obviously you got your lights up here. Daniel wired it in so that both the tops and the bottoms work. It goes right into your factory tail light here. As you can see, it gets brighter and darker, and the same thing on the top, right? Brake lights, all that still work. Lighted license plate frame, and the kit also comes with a horn. So we're gonna go over and check out the system real quick. This is a Kicker Phase 3 system, and we added a soundbar. And the owner did something real easy to use. Figure out how to open that door there. As you can see right here, very, very basic control. Volume up, volume down mode. Basically, you go to Bluetooth. You have an auxiliary cord option, which is what Craig wanted. Plug it right in the bottom of the phone if you're not technologically savvy or whatnot, right? And it also has a USB port here for charging your phones and whatnot. As for how it sounds, well, let's hear it.
You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. I did not believe that it would end, no.
Guys, this thing bangs. Kicker Phase 3 comes with a 10-inch subwoofer. It actually integrates right into the glove box, so it's as factory as you can get. You cannot even see the subwoofer. You got two SSB Works Kicker pods right here, Kicker 6.5s, and again, we added the Wet Sound soundbar. It bangs, it's pretty loud. This is one of those systems, it's not a crazy all-out custom system, but it's about as factory as you can get. And it's one of those systems that, you know, Dad could buy it and his kids will take it out and still be pretty proud of it because it's got some thump to it. Anyhow, guys, check it out, Wire for Sound, 2191 Tacoma.
1921 Tacoma Boulevard.
1921 Tacoma. I'm a little dyslexic today. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching.